What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you are new, do yourself a favor, subscribe, hit that bell notification, come join the team because we getting baddies over here. All right, today's video, she will chase you full sprint once you replace her, okay? She tried to replace you, but now she gonna chase you because she realized she done messed up. She made a mistake. She thought she could, you know what I mean, go out there, grass is greener on the other side. She gonna find a dude that treats her right, blows her back out. Every night she just getting cheeks clapped on the daily. Everything's cool, everything's great, everything's peachy. It ain't peachy cream. She gonna figure it out. You were the dude that she needed. She might not have wanted you because maybe you were acting beta. Maybe you were doing all the things that you shouldn't have been doing. But you know, time goes on. You know, once you break up, you start to get on your grind. You start to focus on yourself. You start to do all the things that you should have been doing while you're with her. But now you're making it a priority. Now you're reinvesting all that energy into you, becoming the best version. But not only that, you going outside. You with your boys, you at the bar, you at the club, vibing, and you attracting all the baddies. You know what to say too when you go up to them, right? You chopping it up, you asking them where they from, you talking about similar hobbies and interests and what's good to eat around town, and you like, hey, I should take you out one time, you know what I'm saying? And I know this new spot over here, maybe she likes comedy shows, and you're like, yeah, well, this comedian's coming up. And then you take her out, and then next thing you know, clapping her cheeks, and then you going out the next night doing the same thing, talking about different stuff and places to meet up. And one of those places, instead of taking them on a date and spreading bread, is like, hey baby, I'm gonna cook for you. You know what I'm saying? Or you on some real player stuff, keeping a real P, you saying, oh, so can you cook? You know what I mean? And you're like, well, I need to put you to the test. Because words are one thing, actions are another. And you know what I mean? A good meal is the way to my heart. But if you can't, I understand, no pressure. And you just doing it like that, making her feel like it's a little challenge. But low key, just finessing her to come to the crib, cook you food, and then clap her cheeks, right? But you do all of this initial attraction. Obviously, you got to put the Magnetic by Mr. Cologne on, best smelling cologne for under $100. Link in the description. You put this on, right? Woo! Memorable, instantly memorable. She doesn't forget you. She's already from the jump interested just based off of your scent, because that's one of the first things women notice. And then from there, you start chopping up. But look, your ex, right? The girl that you were stressing over, the girl that you still probably want back, she's gonna come back around because she's gonna see that you're posting this all over social media. You be outside, you're not afraid to post you with other girls. Why? Because she's the one that left. She's the one that took you for granted. She probably thought you couldn't do better, but now you're doing more than better. You're doing better and beyond. You got that baddest in the city. Everybody talking about, girl, I done saw your man, or you used to be man. with what's her face? Yeah, the one with the new BBL. Or I don't know, I think it might be natural, but it looked like a BBL. Shoot, I don't know. But either way, it's big. It's big, it's round, it's jiggly, and I think he clapping those. So, yeah, girl, I'm gonna let you know. She's stressing. Oh no, he didn't. She going all on the social media. She checking Instagram, Twitter. She going Tumblr, MySpace. She going all the way back in the day, not knowing what you posting on. She trying to find every ounce of evidence that you done moved on and found better, just so that she could cry herself to sleep. She gonna lie to herself. She ain't better than me though. She did go to a great doctor though, gosh. Let me see. Oh my gosh. Wow. And she got a degree. Oh my gosh. And she help out the elderly on the weekends. Like, she do nonprofits and stuff. And she got her own business. And she just she gonna freak out, right? She gonna smash her phone. She gonna gossip to her friends. She gonna go crazy. But then she gonna realize she gotta make a move. She gotta make a move because her ego's killed. Her pride is. It's like the devil's on this side, the angel's on this side, and she's like, don't do it. You better do it. He clapping cheeks right now. So then she's like, okay, well, then I know what I gotta do. Hitting you up, checking on your whereabouts, because now she ain't got your location, So now she gotta like hit you up straight to the source, breadcrumb you, try to see if she can still weasel her way into your life, because you done moved on. But don't limit this to just moving on to other women. The thing about it, women want your attention. So if you're not giving them attention, whether it's another woman or it's your career or it's your family, friends, whatever it is, if you are all about that before them, that's when they start to freak out. So if you're locked in on your business, not only are you growing that and making more money and leveling up your life to where you're setting yourself up for your future and your family, which is attractive to women because they want to make sure they got a man that, you know, has a secure job and income and can take care of the kids, right? And them, of course. But your attention's on that. It's not on her. So you replaced her with either a woman or your profession, or, you know, you diving into fitness, you're getting in the gym, you're getting in shape, you're getting right. You do this, she's still gonna be stressing. She's still gonna try to, you know, breadcrumb her way back into your life to the point where, you know, you're keeping it cool, you're nonchalant, you're not really giving her too much. You might respond here and there, but you're kind of disinterested. Now she's got to try harder. Now she's popping up at places she knows you're going to be at. Oh, it's crazy running into you here. No, it ain't. You know what day and time I come here every week? I think I'm stupid. Be gone. But she ain't going to be gone. She going to, and especially the more you push her away, she gonna realize, oh my God, I made a mistake. I made a mistake. Because at first she was very, very confident in her decision. Like, nah, I can do better. He's not the one. He's not where I want him to be. He doesn't do this for me. There's other guys that can do that for me. Whatever it is, she thought you weren't it. She took you for granted, all right? She rolled the dice. Guess what? Now she paid the price. That price is losing you because you're a solid dude. You're valuable to everyone. You know, and you could have been valuable to her as far as a commodity and adding to her life. Because a lot of people, especially these dudes out here, they be taken away from women's lives. You know what I mean? They don't add nothing. But you should only be adding stuff to women's life when they're doing what it takes to add to your life. Not just giving out free, you know what I mean, benefits of being a good person to women that treating you like trash. And that's what she's doing right now. She ain't earned it. So once she does do all this, make sure she earns her way back into your life. Take your time. Don't be rushing into it. She gonna try to butter you up, baby talk you, rub on your head, scratch your back, give you little massages, baby you, cook for you. That's cool. How long that gonna last? She gonna get bored if it doesn't work within a week? She's not the one, and it was fake. So yeah, man, do this. Ultimately, just hyper focus on either you or, you know, building something with someone new. Either way, you should put you first and watch what happens, right? And if you guys do need some help going through a situation right now, first link in the description, book a one-on-one Zoom call. We can chop it up. We can help you out. That is it for the video for today. If you guys liked it, please do me a favor, hit that thumbs up button down below. Also down below, download Attraction Made Easy Masterclass. Book you a one-on-one Zoom call. And until next time, focus on you. And the women will too.
I know some beauties in Cali, they all be calling me daddy. I know some hoes out in Texas, they all be showing affection.